Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to free up space on your Windows 11 computer. First, open the Start menu and type Storage Settings. Click on it. You'll see a breakdown of how your storage is being used. Turn on Storage Sense. This feature automatically removes temporary files and empties your recycle bin. To customize it, click Storage Sense, then choose when it should run and what it should clean. Next, go back and select Temporary Files. Windows will scan your system. Once the list appears, check the boxes for temporary files, delivery optimization files, and recycle bin. Then click Remove Files. Another useful step is to uninstall apps you no longer use. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Sort by size to find large programs and click the three dots next to any app you want to remove. Choose Uninstall. You can also move personal files to OneDrive or an external drive. Go to the Start menu and type Disk Cleanup in the Start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. After that, it will ask you to select the drive you want to clean. Choose your drives one by one and clean the unnecessary files. Running Disk Cleanup as an administrator can remove even more system files, including old Windows updates. These steps should give you extra space for the things you really need. Thanks for watching.